Tamil Nadu Assembly was the epicenter of political drama. Again, it witnessed a walkout, sloganeering and protest by the opposition. All of this continued. The AIADMK MLAs arrived at the assembly wearing black shirts as a sign of protest. In no time, the MLAs staged a walkout, alleging that the speaker was not allowing them to discuss the Hooch tragedy.
அவருடைய கருத்தை பதிவிக்கிறார். வேற ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. எங்களை பேச விடல. நான் பேச முற்படுகின்ற பொழுது எங்களுக்கு அனுமதி கொடுங்க. இது மக்களுடைய உயிர் பிரச்சனை. இன்னைக்கு தினந்தோறும் பல பேர் இறந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். இன்னும் நேற்றைய தினம் மாவட்ட ஆட்சித்தலைவர் சொல்றார் சுமார் 28 பேர் அபாய கட்டத்தில் இருப்பதாக சொல்கிறார்கள். இப்படிப்பட்ட நிலைமை இருக்கின்ற பொழுது அரசாங்கத்தினுடைய சார்பாக
Intensifying attack on the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, the opposition said government should clarify its stand as it's responsible for disaster. BJP targeted Congress and other INDI bloc leaders for not reacting on the tragedy.
Now, Tamil Nadu has seen such a big man-made state-sponsored disaster and murder for which DMK government is directly responsible. Their functionaries, their party people, their ministers are responsible. Yet not a tweet, not a word of condolence, not a word of anger, not a word of accountability from Rahul Gandhi and from Priyanka Vadra. My friends in Tamil Nadu, my friends in the southern part of India, this is the true face of Congress party and the first family.
बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है कि इंडी अलायंस विपक्ष लगातार ये ढूंढता है मरने वाले कौन हैं, किसकी सरकार में मरे हैं, उनका धर्म क्या है, उनकी जाति क्या है, हमें वोट का लाभ होगा नहीं होगा। उस प्रकार से कदम उठाने वाले लोगों को दिखता नहीं कि तमिलनाडु में इंसानियत की हत्या हो रही है, लेकिन वहां पर उनकी जुबान नहीं खुलेगी क्योंकि इनकी इंडी अलायंस की सरकार है, इनकी अपनी सरकार है। उसको बचाने के लिए चाहे लाखों लोगों की जान जाती हो, ऐसा खिलवाड़ कांग्रेस पहले भी करती रही है और वर्तमान में भी कर रही है।
All right, let's in fact go back to Varshni. Varshni, the political blame game is only intensifying. Like I said, AIADMK MLAs once again staged a walkout. The sloganeering, the protest all continued. They want the government to take responsibility. And by that, they mean that they want the chief minister to step down.
Absolutely, yes. For the second consecutive day, the AIADMK party conducted a walkout, and in fact, there was massive sloganeering that we could see because of all the MLAs who came out of the assembly premises together, and they sloganeered particularly about a demand of the resignation from the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. And in fact, today also as a mark of protest, they were all seen wearing black attire. And as soon as they entered the assembly, as soon as the session started, immediately the AIADMK demanded for a discussion and a debate over the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy, which is the same thing which they demanded yesterday as well, upon which there was a massive ruckus and they had to be in fact evicted from the assembly hall. But today there was no ruckus inside the hall. They merely demanded, and as soon as the speaker Apau refused their demands, they immediately walked out. And here, after they came out, that is when they started sloganeering. And in fact, when they spoke to the press, they were questioning about why they were not able to why the speaker is not giving permission for a debate or a discussion over the Hooch tragedy. And if the opposition doesn't have rights to speak about a topic whenever they want to, that to a topic which is burning right now, then why is this assembly even existing, is what was essentially the question that the AIADMK raised after coming outside.
That in fact, so, the BJP has also questioned the silence of the INDI allies, of course, especially that of Congress. Varshni?
Yes. The assembly is expected to go for another week. Therefore, there is going to be several other, instances where the AIADMK is expected to raise this issue, because the death toll is not reducing or not stopping. It's constantly rising. And even today, we've the officials have announced about how much number of deaths have been increasing this today as well. Therefore, that is the reason this topic has to be discussed again and again. It's the only main demand that the AIADMK is demanding at this point of time. So today they've left the assembly, so probably the next session on Monday, when it reconvenes, one can expect that they'll come back with the problem once again.